Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add a PNG to Google Docs. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google Docs document. Okay, then go to Insert tab, Image, Upload from computer, search the web, Drive, Photos, Camera or URL. Then example upload from my computer. Double click. I already removed background to this image. Resize and move image. Select wrap text, move image and break text, behind text, in front of text. Move with text, fix position on page, position options. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.